Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can change the color of the checkout button in your Wix.com website. So start off from the dashboard here and then click on Edit Site. It'll take you to the Wix website editor here. Now once on the Wix website editor here, you'll need to go on the shop section or whatever section of the page have a product, and you'll need to go on to preview mode. On preview mode, wait for it to load, and on preview mode, just add something to the cart. Add to cart, and then view cart. Let it load. Now this is the checkout button we want to edit. Now once here, click on back to editor. Once back to the editor UI, click on this on the cart page, and then go down here on settings. On settings, go to design. Now scroll down until you find the button section. Right here, buttons. And if you want to change the color, click on this. And then just pick whichever color you'll want. There's gonna be red, black, or gray, whichever one you like. Just like that.